Yo, it's Esara and Chris with this hot summer hit. Fresh as hummers on the biz. We guarantee that you be jamming at this. You know what it is, we just a couple of kids with a passion and dreams. Now that's a beautiful thing. You know we in this for the love of the game, not the money or the fame, cause the stuff will turn a homo insane. So let me cut to the chase, just name the time and the place, cause I just wanna see that pretty smile on your face. Like when we're chilling in the sun and the sand in the summer breeze, sipping on some coconut milk on the palm trees, or setting it off in the clubs when we're dancing, or chilling in the crib when we're maxing, relaxing. Time for some action, homos on the rise, play this track for the masses and watch the reaction. You waste so hard to keep the old school blasting, and Chris will keep it fresh with this new summer anthem.
Sun is shining, it's a day for outdoors. Boys have tied their boats down, now we're destined for the shores. You can wear your bikinis and I'll wear my shorts and tee. Radio's on display and my song, and all my friends are rolling with me. We'll find a spot that's perfect while the brothers, the servant sisters can work on their tail. Or you can get your groove awakened, cause the weather is hot and my sister's so other than. We'll play some volley till the guys come dominate and get serious, spike it on us. Next thing you know we're out of the game, soaking up the rays on this sunny summer's day. And everyone's feeling okay on this sunny summer's day. Barbecue's ready and the hungry appear. Group forms a circle to offer up the word of prayer, and grab a big is guaranteed. No one's gonna wait. Homos and us now obvious, looking at the size of our plates. Who's first to crack a dry one? Count on Roger or Sarah to start a battle of words. And like you better till every person's joining, laughing and mocking each other, adding their bit. Pull out the guitar so we all can have a jam. D'Angelo's stealing the show, singing as if they really care. Soaking up the rays on this sunny summer's day. And everyone's feeling okay on this sunny summer's day. Sun is shining, summer heat is rising, and we're living it for the day, throwing our cares away on this sunny summer's day.
You know that nothing compares to having fun in the sun. You and your boys and your girls, you're all together as one. Cause for a moment or two, it's like you're back in the island, surrounded by this beautiful Pacific and smile land, in search of a good time, away from the stress, and catch a rays in the sunlight, then watching the sunset. So for all of the fire mats for Esara and Chris, because we hot, and it don't get too much better than this.
The sun is shining up the